Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can make your Google Chrome as the default browser of your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process, and it is just very easy. So let's click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for apps. That's under personalization. And here you'll find default apps. Defaults for file and link types, other defaults. Click on that. Now here simply search for Chrome. Click on this arrow. Google Chrome will appear after you have searched for it. And here you'll find this option, make Google Chrome your default browser. Click on set default. And now, all the default file types or link types will be opened with Google Chrome. For PDF, you can go with it with with Adobe Acrobat Reader, or you can simply change that to Google Chrome. You just need to simply click on this and simply choose the default app in here. You can also go with .xht, .webp, XHTML, HTTP, HTTPS. You can simply change this to Chrome as your default browser. Click on choose default and then you can simply choose Google Chrome and click on set default. So that's it. That's how you can easily set your Google Chrome as the default browser of your Windows. Not very difficult, but just very easy. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.